Hi, preschoolers. Welcome back. We're going to keep talking about zoo animals. So, I've got a couple stories for us, and then we'll work on our number 4 paper. So, our first story is called When God Made the Animals. The sea creatures from Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 and 21. God made the sea creatures with fabulous features. Like crabs that have big claws and creep, he made jellyfish sway and dolphins that play. The sharks he made swim in the deep. Are you noticing some rhyming words? Like creatures, features, creep, deep. See if there's any on this page. The birds of the air. God also designed great birds of all kinds. A woodpecker, goose, and a hawk. God made ducks that fly in a line in the sky, and colorful parrots that squawk. We've got hawk, squawk. That rhymes. The big land animals from Genesis chapter 1, verses 24 and 25. God formed with his hand big beasts on dry land, striped zebras and apes of great size, black panthers that prowl, and leopards that growl, and hippos with great big round eyes. Let's see, I noticed prowl and growl, that rhymes, and hand, land, that rhymes. The small land animals from Genesis chapter 1, verse 24 and 25. But that isn't all. God made some creatures very small, like crickets that chirp with delight. God made mice that hurry, and hedgehogs that scurry, and frogs that croak all through the night. Did you notice delight and night? Those rhyme. God creates Adam and Eve. Genesis chapter 1, verses 26 and 27. Creating was fun, but God still wasn't done. He had one more thing up his sleeve. He took dirt from the land and created a man, and then created a woman named Eve. The end. So, yeah, I thought you would enjoy that story, and we can always remember how God is the creator of everything. All right, next one. It's kind of a fun one. It's called Going to the Zoo, and it's actually a song. All right. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. The zoo tomorrow. The zoo tomorrow. Daddy's taking us to the zoo tomorrow. We can stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. See the elephants with the long trunks swinging, great big ears and the long trunks swinging, sniffing up peanuts with the long trunks swinging. We can stay all day. See all the monkeys, scritch, scritch, scratching, jumping all around and scritch, scritch, scratching, hanging by their long tails, scritch, scritch, scratching. We can stay all day. Big black bear is a huff, huff a puffin', coat's too heavy, he's a huff, huff a puffin'. Don't get too near the huff, huff a puffin', or you won't stay all day. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Looks like he's getting a nice bath, huh? The kangaroo is a hop, hop, hopping. Big long tail is a flop, flop, flopping. Babies in the pouch all hop, hop, hopping. We can stay all day. Did you know that a baby kangaroo is called a joey? How fun, huh? Seals in the pool are clap, clap, clapping, catching fish and clap, clap, clapping, bouncing the ball and clap, clap, clapping. We can stay all day. What's that sound? Lion is a roaring. Time to eat. Lion is a roaring. Now lazy Mr. Lion is snoring, snoring, snoring. We can stay all day. because we're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. Birds in the birdhouse are chirping and a chipping, flying in circles and chirping and a chipping. Mr. Owl is quietly sleeping. We can stay all day. Looks like the zookeeper's rescuing a cat up here in the tree. We stayed all day and we're getting sleepy. Sitting in the back seat, sleep, sleep, sleepy. Home already, we're really sleepy. We have stayed all day. We've been to the zoo, zoo, zoo. So have you, you, you. You came too, too, too. We've been to the zoo, zoo, zoo. So there they go. Mom is taking us to the zoo tomorrow, the zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow. Mama's taking us to the zoo tomorrow, and we can stay all day. Look at Dad. He's all tuckered out, isn't he? We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. All right. That was a fun one, wasn't it? Yeah, I wish we could go to the zoo and see all those animals. That would be great. All right. Well, I would like you to get out your number 4 paper. Okay, it's the one that looks like this. So I'll have you write your name here on the line, okay? And then we're going to make the number 4. So to make the number 4, I've got a little trick for you. You're going to make kind of like you're making like the letter L, nice and short. And then it's just a straight line down. Yeah, how fun. So it's just, we're going to start at the top, go down to the dotted lines, go over like you're making the letter L, and then start back up at the top of the black line and go all the way down. I'll do a few more with you, okay? So start up at the black line, go down to the dotted lines, go over, go back up to the black line, and go all the way down and touch that black line. Let's see, I'll make 4. 1, 2, 3, so I'll do one more. Down and over like the letter L, back up, top, down, all the way, a straight line and over. Awesome. See how many you can get all the way to the end, and then you can color the pictures of the different pieces of fruit. All right. Keep up the great work. See you again soon. Bye.